5-axis CNC machining. Types, applications, and benefits. This video will take an in-depth look at 5-axis CNC machining. Here's what you'll learn. Principle of 5-axis CNC machining. Types of 5-axis CNC machining. Applications and benefits of 5-axis CNC machining. And much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the principle of 5-axis CNC machining. Defining 5-axis CNC machining. The concept of CNC machining. Constructing 5-axis CNC machines. A 5-axis CNC machine is structured with several essential components. Kinematic analysis. Key components of a 5-axis CNC machine. Machine design strategy. The functionality of 5-axis CNC machining. Considerations for choosing a 5-axis CNC machining. Here are important factors when selecting a 5-axis CNC machining approach. Adequate CNC processing power. Appropriate look-ahead function. Sufficient machine spindle power and rigidity. Effective tool holding system. Adaptive cutting feed rate management. High machine tolerance and durability. Comprehensive machine tolerance demands meticulous design and construction consideration. This involves two main phases. Five-axis CNC machine quality inspection. Tool precision check. Part validation. Process monitoring. Managing spindle heat and cooling. Chapter 2. Who are the leading manufacturers of 5-axis CNC machines? Haas Automation, UMC 750SS. DMG Mori, DMU 50. Mazak, Variaxis I 800. Okumer, MU 4000 VL. Fanuc, Robodrill Alpha D21 MB5. Chapter 3. What are the different types of 5-axis CNC machining? Rotary table and pivoting spindle head. Double rotary table. Trunnion table machine. Swivel or articulating head. Frequently asked questions. What distinguishes 5-axis CNC machining from 3-axis machining? Which industries benefit most from 5-axis CNC machining? How do trunnion, double rotary table, and swivel head 5-axis CNC machines differ? What are essential factors when selecting a 5-axis CNC machine? Who are the leading 5-axis CNC machine manufacturers in North America? How does 5-axis CNC machining ensure high-quality outputs? Chapter 4. What are the applications and benefits of 5-axis CNC machining? Applications of 5-axis CNC machining. Aerospace applications. Medical device manufacturing. Military applications. Energy equipment. Benefits of 5-axis CNC machining. The advantages of adopting 5-axis CNC machining include minimized setup, complex designs, rotational accuracy, faster material removal, better surface finishes, drawbacks of 5-axis CNC machining. While 5-axis CNC machining offers numerous benefits, it also has some drawbacks, including 5-axis CNC machining costs, CAD and CM programming, advanced operator skills required, specifications of 5-axis CNC machining, travels and available capacity, spindle machining using CNC, tool changer, feed rates, five-axis size, five-axis CNC machining electrical, 5-axis CNC machining maintenance. Some considerations when maintaining 5-axis CNC machines are: Chapter 5. What are the 5 forms of 5-axis machining? Double swivel head form, droop swivel head form, double swivel table form, droop table form, one swing, one rotate form. Conclusion. Please visit www.IQSDirectory.com to find the right 5-axis CNC machining manufacturer for your needs.